Hello, today I wan welcome una to another episode of Law in Pidgin. My name na Hope Azinuchi Azerugoziri. Today we wan talk about one matter wey the matter dey really trend well well. Wetin be this matter? Police na debt recovery agent. Wetin I mean by this one, I know say based on the kind special language wey we dey use, I need to break am down. You go fit use police go draw debt, like say me now, Hope, I dey owe you. You go fit use police come draw the debt. The answer na no. Dem no dey use police recover debt. No use police recover debt. E dey unconstitutional, e dey illegal, e dey against the law. The job of police na to maintain law, peace, security, order. Na their job be that. No be to go recover money. If me and you do contract, I breach the contract, no be police you go take make yourself dey alright. No be police you go take make me I do that. For example, me and you get contract, say I go supply you 10 crates of beer, I supply 5. If you wan get your money back, or you wan make I supply the complete beer, no be police you go use. You go go magistrate court, or you go go high court, depending on the amount wey dey involved for the contract wey me and you do. Now, wetin make section 32 sub 2 of the Police Act 2020 talk say police no get right to arrest you for any civil wrong or for breach of contract. So many of una dey do am. After go dey say police dey corrupt, police dey corrupt. Una dey corrupt. You know say this thing, you no suppose use police, you go use them. E dey very very wrong. So if you and person do contract, the person breach the contract, no run go police, run go lawyer office. The lawyer know wetin to do. The lawyer know the court wey im go institute. Sorry, I don forget where we dey go. The lawyer know the court wey im go sue, or wey im go put your matter. Na so e be. Now today you don learn this one. If you and person get contract, or I do any civil wrong, no go bring police for me. E dey against the law. As me, I dey like that. Me and you do contract, I breach am. Yes, I dey talk am with my full chest. I breach the contract. You go bring police, I go sue the police on top your contract wey I breach. You understand? Because two wrongs no go fit make right. And anybody wey dey come to equity too, you go come with clean hands. You wey dey watch my video, when you watch, share. No dey watch my video to keep am to yourself. Help my page to grow. Remember to follow Law in Pidgin on Facebook, YouTube, and X, wey be Twitter. Thank you.